To adjust your clipping plane's preferences, go to the Maestro menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences panel, scroll down to Clipping Planes under the Workspace Preferences, or search for clipping planes using the search box in Suite 2012. Change the Clip to Within value to a distance based on your personal preference. For example, try using 1 angstrom here. Press the L key on your keyboard to zoom in on the ligand in the workspace. This will reveal the effect of changing that clipping plane's preference. You can also use the clipping plane window to adjust the clipping planes manually. To show or hide the clipping planes window, go to the Maestro menu and toggle on Clipping Planes. To move the front and rear clipping planes, click on the horizontal lines in the Clipping Planes window and drag your cursor backward or forward. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to adjust the clipping planes in small increments. Use the F key to move the front and rear planes closer together. Use the G key to move the planes further apart. Use the equal sign key to move the planes toward the viewer, and use the minus key to move the planes away from the viewer.